Marketing has gotten really good at predicting customer behavior, but not necessarily at changing it. And that's surprising, given that marketing, at the end of the day, is a causal language. So let's unpack this a little bit. What is correlative thinking or correlation? And what is causal thinking? And why are these disconnected? Most importantly, how can we solve for that disconnect? Let's start with correlational thinking. Correlational prediction means what happens to this customer if we do not change the way we interact with that customer, if that customer lives under the dictatorship of the status quo. We can already see that this is probably not what ultimately leads to growth. Causal thinking asks the other question. Causal thinking asks, what happens to the outcome for this customer if we change a lever? For example, what happens to the outcome of that customer if instead of showing a generic product, we show a certain product when that customer comes to the site? Now, why do these two feel disconnected? They're disconnected because marketers have only had correlational predictions based on associations at their fingertips to make decisions. Now, with the rise of AI, we are able to integrate causal thinking into how decisions are done, and we call that causal decisioning. If we want AI to drive growth, to cause growth, it needs more than associative patterns. It needs traces and evidence of causal effects. That is what we call causality data, and it is the key for marketers to achieve the growth thereafter with the help of artificial intelligence.